Tuesday, November 11th, 2:15 p.m. New York time. This chart's going to go over some trade ideas on meme stocks, penny stocks. If you want to get access to this video real time, best to subscribe to my Patreon page. The link is below. Otherwise, if you're watching it directly from YouTube, it's not real time. It's days later. You missed the trade at this point in time. We're looking at one of the stocks here. 3 grids. The far right is the weekly. The left is the daily. In the middle is the 30 minutes. This stock is AMC, the movie theater. So I use multiple time frames. This desktop trading platform is called Thinkorswim, offered from Charles Schwab. Each of these candles represent 1 week. Since today is Tuesday, the current candle is not done. As I'm doing this, you get a learning lesson about using this platform. So again, I'm looking at a 1-year chart. And on AMC, yellow horizontal line up here, here's the high of the year. Here's the low of the year. This yellow horizontal line, hand drawn by me. This big red candle was a big sell-off, a dump. This red horizontal line is midpoint. It's just telling me that's the middle of that big red candle. Very important to me. Also here, these orange areas is where it gapped down back there in that time frame. Then identified the low of the year, 705, right there. The current week, the low of the year, $7.61. It has not touched nor taken out the low of the year yet. Let's put up here volume. Volume tells a lot. This big red candle, when it dumped, the volume would be down here on the bottom left. That volume was 92 million plus shares. Closed, huge red body, extremely bearish. 92 million shares. This big red candle, 185 million shares, more bearish, more red candle, more selling. And then the buyers down here, 172 million. And then look at this one, big red candle, 148 million. This high of that red candle, I drew that red horizontal line just to give me an idea. That big red candle, big sell-off, the high purple line, and then this one, high blue line. I use 2 different colors, so I just know they're, again, 2 different points in time. Go to daily candles now. Each candle's a day. Last week, the company had earnings. The next day, it gapped down in the morning. See this gap, again, different than this higher gap. This gap is even further higher up here. This gap was up here when it was $41.90. We're looking at the daily chart. This gap down here. After it gapped down, it did close green for that day. Then the next day, red, lower high. See this high in that green candle? Red candle, lower high. And the bottom of this green candle, low. And that red candle, red, low. So again, lower highs, lower lows. And then Monday, here in this red candle, it made a lower high and lower low. So the momentum's to the down. The trend is down. It's bearish on this charting time frame. Today, it broke above the high of yesterday, making a higher high, higher low. The trend reversed. The daily candle is not done yet. So this is not a confirmation yet. The trend officially switched, reversed. Just the current price action is showing that. But again, if it continues like this, then the trend momentum should be going higher. Potential areas to the upside. Here. Got it. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Again, we're looking at a 1-year time frame. I want to zoom in some more so you get this perspective. Huge dump on this volume, this green candle. The high of the volume right there, $9.30. So potential areas on the upside. Big round number, $9. High volume day, $9.36. So one could be buying right here. Have you stop down here, a few pennies below that. Momentum to the upside. Got it? So let's take a trade here. Just buying 1 share. 1 share. Already got it queued in. 1 share, AMC. Currently $8.16, $8.15. And this account is like my junk account. Has a few dollars in it. So if I make mistakes, I don't risk a lot. Got it? So if I want to take one trade right there, confirm and send and buy it. And if I'm wrong, well, I already have an exit plan down there. Let's queue in this. So again, most I could lose is what I'm paying for it. One share, $8.15. Send this in. I got filled right there. The order just generated on the top. So I'm in there now. Go to position. I'm in here now. Little arrow. So I know, again, that yellow horizontal line, let me know I got in that day. Went up. Something I should consider, money management, exit. What was the low of yesterday? That's the low of yesterday. Blue horizontal line. That low, $7.61. But I'm going to use a stop a few pennies below that, and I'll do that in a few minutes. I'll queue in my stop loss. It says as well, I'm going to queue in my target. My target I want to be first $9. $9. Big round number, $9. I'm leaving this target. Actually, let's just make it green. There we go. So I will do all that momentarily. I'll put my stop loss on the target. And every day, when this makes higher highs, higher lows, if it does, I'm going to move up my stop. So I reduce my loss. And my target on the upside, I'm not going to change that right now. Nope, it depends how I perspective see it. Again, it's penny stock. I'm not investing in this. I'm day trading. I'm swing trading it short term. Let's go on to the next. I'll get back to this momentarily. I'll look at some more meme stocks. GameStop. That low for the year, new low for the year. Wow. Big difference. Again, weekly chart, 8 candles a week. Here's the high of the year, low of the year. Let's move this down. Let's go to the, again, the momentum's down. Let's go to the daily. Daily chart, look at that, it reversed. Let's move this down too. We got a low of the year. Does not look good. Nope. It's already sellers in there. Let's look at the daily. Intraday. Intraday is already dumping. I'm not going to do that one. Let's go look at another meme stock. And I have a watch list, so these are already all queued in. Robinhood. Weekly chart. Again, huge bearish volume last week. Look at this dump. Garbage. Here's the high of the year. That yellow horizontal line. Here's the low of the year. Garbage. Big trouble. Current candle. Let's go to the daily. Made a reverse, and it's already showing problems up here. Yep, not good. Really weak up here. Intraday. It's already dumping. Let's go some more. So yeah, I'm having a watch list of meme stocks. Let's go some more. Nintendo? I think that was Nintendo. Yeah. Oh no, gaming company. NFT gaming company. Yep, that was another gaming company. See how it is terrible for that 1 year right there. Let's go look at the daily. Another garbage. Garbage. Wow, garbage. Let's go look at another quick meme stocks. Nokia. Nice. Already had the rally. Wow, nice. So I missed this one here. Big dump, inside candle, break above it. Nice. Would have been long going there. That was a long to take. And like to see the retracement at the top right there. Might be running out of momentum. Oof, look at this. Yep. Big gap down there. Reversed. This is a daily chart. Let's remove that. Yep, it's already too late. It's already running. That was Nokia. See what else it might be. Series. Excuse me. Siri. No, this is not good. Not really trending impressive here. That was a weekly. Daily. Nope. Looks like it's just going to do. Yeah, that looks garbage. And we'll look at two more. Snap. Already ran up too much. The risk is high. Already gapped up. Yep. So, nope. That's, nope. I'm not going to touch that. Nice. So that was that dump. And like I said, I like to get retested. So the opportunity already, that's over. Risk reward is not worth my opinion to want to get in these. See if there's any more. Let's go back here. One more. There we go. That one's Nintendo. That was it. So the weekly already coming back near the high of the year. Let's go to the daily. Wow, it already did its thing. The daily, yep. So that's it. That's basically part of the process I use for looking for meme stocks to trade. Bunch of them made huge turns already. They're overextended. Very likely they're going to be pulling back opportunities to reload on the downside.